day, so let's get over to meteorologist Amber Wheeler, who has a look at our forecast. And I guess today is the day we could see some more rain.
That's right. We have a first alert that our storm coverage is going to be a little more widespread today. It's not going to be a total washout for everyone, but we do have a severe component to some of these storms. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has given mostly the north here a chance for severe weather, but I want to show you what the radar could be looking like as we move through the day, because we'll see some scattered storms, isolated strong to severe. This is a low-end severe weather threat, but the storms that could become strong to severe will have the gusty winds. I think that's going to be our biggest component when it comes to severe, and some heavy rain, but there's also more rain this week. This is a little bit more of an active pattern. I've got 90 today for a forecast high. If you find yourself getting missed by one of these showers, you might pop to 92, but you can tell there when the rain and storms are going to start probably as early as late morning and then linger through the afternoon, really tapering once we lose that daytime heating. Here's what's happening. You can see this complex of storms that has been diving in from the north. It's already starting to fizzle out, but what it's going to do is help to spark more storms into the afternoon. We've got a lot of available moisture in the atmosphere, and then you combine that with daytime heating, and that gives you that scattered storm look. Some storms along the coast here, moving through the Venice area, also through Port Fourchon and Grand Isle. These I'm watching, they certainly could have some water spouts in them. So that's something we need to follow, because if we get a water spout and it gets tugged inland, it could move inland there briefly. So I've been watching the camera here in Grand Isle as well, and every time I'm looking at this off camera, I see some nice lightning off in the distance. But of course, now that I'm trying to show you, there's nothing there except for some dark clouds. But you can tell there is some rain there, and the models are seeing it also. So as we move through the morning, again, seeing the rain and storms starting to pop up as early as late morning, but then becoming a little more widely scattered into the afternoon. Notice how hit and miss this is going to be for a lot of us. Slow moving storms as well, so the heavy rain will be something that we'll need to watch, and then we'll see that start to wane as we get into the evening, and you'll lose that daytime heating. So that's why I don't think today is going to be a total washout for everyone. I do think that there could be one or two storms that could move slowly over your area that could maybe snarl a few plans, but we're going to see the same thing as we get into Monday. More chances for some scattered showers and storms, probably not as numerous as today, but there's still a lot of moisture in the atmosphere to work with, and you're going to carry that chance for some rain and storms into Tuesday as well. Low-end severe weather threat here, but there are some heavy downpour possibilities. The model's seeing this into Monday. There are some areas that could get missed, and then of course those areas that don't could see the isolated street flood concern. Here's that moisture I'm talking about. So we've got a lot of available moisture in the upper levels. I've got this little low to our north. This is going to fall to the south, as well as kind of a larger trough here that you can't really see. It's a part of a larger trough. Got a little energy inside that trough. But notice how we have more moisture here pooled over us, basically the Gulf Coast, between Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. So that is that available moisture that we have to see those afternoon pop-ups that become a little more numerous. But it's starts to really dry out, or at least try to dry out for the second half of the week. So that's why I've lowered those storm chances for Thursday and into Friday. But notice that we start to see a return flow from the Gulf for the following weekend. So this is Friday. So we're basically going to start to see this return in from Friday, and it might pop our rain chances a little higher as we get into the following weekend. So next weekend. So here's your rain potential for the next 5 days. Again, a little higher here for the first part of the week, and then we'll lower those chances for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, only to possibly increase them again for the following weekend. We got a lot of time to watch that, but the next 7 days, pretty messy look here to the potential rainfall. 1 to 2 inches certainly possible, definitely enough to be soaking for some, but not a widespread flood threat, so that's good news. Now heading into the 6 to 10 day precip outlook, so this is heading into the following weekend. The Climate Prediction Center also seeing confidence in a wetter than normal forecast heading into that time frame, and of course we are looking for the possibility of warmer than normal temperatures, which is something we've seen a lot of lately. Here's your forecast for the next 7 days. A lot of low 90s to go along with this. On the days where we have the lower storm chances, we could see a few degrees warmer. But really, this is just a daily storm threat like we see every summer. And when you have a lot more moisture available in the atmosphere, you up those storm chances because you get that easier pop in the afternoon with that. And then there's your forecast if you want to be on the water. A lot of folks were yesterday. You've got a good chance over the next few days. Of course, we're just watching for those storms that are a little more numerous over basically today through Tuesday.
You mentioned the lightning earlier when we saw our sky cam of Grand Isle. So beautiful out there. Even this morning driving in here to Fox 8, I noticed the clouds are very active.
Yeah. Of course, you always have that lightning component to everything, and we want to really watch the